No matter where you're at in the country, you can utilize this. Here's what we do. We find out what the buyer's looking for. You already know there's nothing on the MLS. If there was, they wouldn't have been contacting you. They would have called that listing agent directly. They would have already bought that home. If they're looking to buy, there's probably still 10 offers on the house, if not more. There's probably still going to be multiple offers and it's going to sell for over asking price. So what if they can get access to unlisted and pre-market homes that match exactly what they're looking for? Once we find out what they're looking for, we have what I would consider my magic sales letter. We call it the James letter. We send out the James letter to areas and price ranges that they're interested in. So if they say, I want to live in Johansson Estates, I wish I could find a house in Johansson Estates. Okay, perfect. We send out the James letter in Johansson Estates. It essentially says, I have a buyer that's looking. I don't want to list your home. You're not going to list your home with me. And guess what? Direct mail works all of a sudden. All of a sudden, it's back. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information in a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.